Hey everyone, check out one of our latest product, a 14-inch shower head with a 14-inch adjustable arm, plus a handheld sprayer with a powerful jet mode. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is simple but sturdy. Open the box. First thing you'll notice is the huge 14-inch top shower head. And we have the 70-inch flexible hose. Also the user manual, don't forget it. In the second layer, there's a 2-function handheld shower head with a jet spray mode. There's also a 14-inch adjustable shower arm. A 3-function diverter with a holder is included. And a roll of white Teflon tape to prevent leaks. That's an overview of everything inside the box. Alright, now I'm gonna do a quick install. Don't forget to turn off the water before you get started. The tools we need for installation are all included in the manual, so we don't need to prepare anything extra. The tools provided are more than enough to install the product. This is what it looks like after installation. This rainfall shower head is really huge, and the experience of using it is very luxurious. In addition to the regular spray mode, the handheld shower has a powerful wash mode, perfect for cleaning walls or removing stains from the toilet.